Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. And I know that it's not an easy situation when you want to get back with your ex and you feel that nothing is working. Maybe you have tried a no contact, maybe you have tried a letter. I'm sure that you have tried to communicate with your ex and to tell them that you would be willing to change. And it's a difficult feeling, it's a negative feeling when you feel that you are trying your best, but nobody wants to listen to you, nobody wants to support you, nobody can see that you have really, really changed for good. And I've coached so many people since 2007. I can tell you that getting back with an ex has nothing to do with the left brain, which is rational. It's all about emotions. It's all about how will you make your ex feel? How can you prove them that you have changed? How can you prove them that you will be different? And if you're watching our videos at Love Advice TV, of course, we want to train you to change. We want to train you to feel better. We also want to train you to seek this new opportunity with your ex. Instead of thinking about saving the relationship or getting back together, what we will do is bring new emotions, brings new attractions, just to make sure that you don't fall into the routine, just to make sure that your ex will not take advantage of you as well. I'm telling you all of this because I've seen so many people that was too direct. Like they were too direct in their way to get back with their ex by saying, I love you, I will change, you can trust me. And most of the time, they were pushing their ex away because they were feeling overwhelmed, harassed sometimes by you guys. So if you're watching this video, I want to tell you that there is a different technique that I use as a coach and that you can use right now to feel better, but also to get more attraction. It is the push and pull. The push and pull means that we will do actions, and after the actions, we take a little bit of time of reflection, we use a little bit of a distance. It's not really a no contact, it's mostly like we will pace our actions. And the push and pull is something that, to be honest, I have not seen any other coach talk about in the processes of getting back with someone you love. So I know it's weird, I know it's something counterintuitive, and this is the reason why I want to invite you to a special masterclass. The masterclass will be this Sunday at 2 p.m. This Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, Miami time. We will be doing a special live masterclass for more than 1 hour where I will explain to you how to use emotions to make your ex to trust you again. How to use emotions to make your ex to come to you. And it can seem very different, but in reality, it is something that will just change your mindset and make your ex feel that you're the one. So this is a free event, free live masterclass. The link is in the chat, in the description box, sorry, right below. So click in the link, go grab your free seat and be with me Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I will see you very soon. I just want you to be strong and to come Sunday so you know exactly what is the push and pull and how you can use it to get your ex back. If you don't want to have any regret, come and train with me. The link is in the description. I will see you very soon, guys. Bye-bye.